Man, I hope the connection is clear today. I don't want to have to go back and forth with everything. I don't want to have to go back and forth. Alrighty. I hope this is looking good. This is looking good. Okay, let's go to Clubhouse and start the room there. Let us go to Clubhouse and start the room there. Oh yeah. Okay, the room on Clubhouse has started. Room on Facebook has started, and on Instagram it has started. Okay, it says I should hold on. They are informing people about the room. It says I should hold on. They are informing people. So I'm going to hold on for a bit. Hello, Josephine. Welcome, 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 welcome. Welcome to One Scholarship a Day, you guys. Welcome to One Scholarship a Day. Welcome to us talking 9 scholarship workshops. How are you all doing? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening to you. Where are y'all joining this from? Where are y'all? Where y'all at? Where y'all at? Okay, I hope you all are good. I hope everyone is fine. I just started the room, so I'm just going to give it like a minute. No, not a minute, 30 seconds, such that others can join in. Everyone from wherever it is that you are, y'all can join in, and let's have a very short conversation about our 1 scholarship for today. And we are also going to have a short conversation about our 9 scholarship workshops. Okay, so I'm excited for today's scholarship because of where I found it. I actually found the scholarship at on the US Department of Education's website. Listen, I search for scholarships, and this scholarship search takes me to crazy places. But it was at the Department of State's website that I found today's scholarship. So I'm so excited to share it with you all. I'm so excited to tell you all about it. So if you're coming in, take a seat, and we are going to talk about this scholarship. Alrighty, so let me see what's the date of today. Today is 10th, 19th. So this is October 19th. And it is Tuesday. Y'all know I take notes when I come on this program, on 1 scholarship a day, right? I take notes. So I hope that when y'all also come in and y'all are watching, I hope y'all also take notes, okay? I hope y'all take notes, because all of this is very, very important information, okay? This is important information about scholarships. Okay, I'm going to try to keep this time steady, because I keep moving the time back and forth, and that's not good for nobody. So I'm going to try to keep the time steady and not change it a lot, because that's not good. So I'm going to try to keep it steady. I'm coming up like a bit too late these days. Alrighty, so let us get to it. Let's get to it. Our scholarship for today is actually the 2022-2023 Full Tuition International Diversity Scholarship. That is the name of our scholarship for today, okay? For those that are joining on Facebook, if you're joining in, please just do well to click that share icon, share the video on Facebook, such that others can be informed that there is a live going on here and we are talking about scholarships. Alrighty, so our scholarship for today is the 2022-2023 Full Tuition International Diversity Scholarship at Maryville College. And I was just telling you all that it's so interesting that I found this scholarship at the Department of State, U.S. Department of State's website, because in searching for scholarships, I go through crazy parts searching for scholarships, and I found this at the Department of State's website. So Maryville College, they say Maryville College is a college in, let me see, it's in what part of the US? I have no idea. Maryville. It says TN. TN should be Tennessee, right? I think it's Tennessee. I have no idea. It just sounds like TN should mean Tennessee. Alrighty, so it's the 2022-2023 Full Tuition International Diversity Scholarship. So Maryville College offers one, you guys, it's just one opportunity. But who knows? This one opportunity may be for you. It may be for someone you care about. So take the information still, okay? So it offers 1 full tuition scholarship to an incoming freshman each academic year. This scholarship is our most prestigious for international students. When they say for international students, what does that mean? It means it's all of us, right? Coming from different parts of the world. We all are not US residents. We are not US citizens. So this is a scholarship for us, right? It will cover the full cost of tuition for each academic year, and it's renewable for up to 4 years, provided that the student meets the appropriate requirements. This is amazing. You don't really see this kind of you don't see a lot of full tuition scholarships like in the US, right? You don't see this much. Applicants' qualifications, it says that you should have demonstrated a record of outstanding academic achievement. That is what they are asking for. You should need to have a clear plan for being a leader in your international community. I should be prepared to encourage others to apply for this scholarship. I should definitely apply for it, because guess what? I spend my whole time encouraging you all to apply for scholarships, right? You should have excellent organizational and communicational skills, and you should be ready to live on campus for throughout the period of your study, okay? So this is a scholarship to Maryville College. It's called the International Diversity Scholarship. It's one of their most prestigious scholarships for international students, okay? Of course, they say as part of your application, you're going to require, you'll be needed to submit a 300 to 500 word essay as usual. Many scholarships ask for those, right? So you should be a first-year international student. The deadline to actually submit applications for this scholarship is January 15th, okay? So you still kind of have some time if you want to apply for it. And it says for a period of 4 years. So what I'm assuming is that this is a scholarship for bachelor students, right? This is a scholarship for bachelor students, because if you're a master's, it's going to say 2 years, but it says for throughout their 4 years of study. So I'll assume that this is a scholarship for bachelor students, okay? So that is our scholarship for today, okay? It is called the 2022-2023 Full Tuition International Diversity Scholarships for international students at Maryville College in the USA, okay? This is a scholarship that's going to cover all of your tuition for 4 years. You don't find this kind of opportunities in the States. Sometimes when you go through the business of what happens in terms of scholarships and tuitions in the States, it's sometimes I look at it and I'm like, this is crazy. So it is always nice when we see a scholarship where they are going to be covering an international student everything for like your tuition and everything that you're going to need. So I'm going to tweet out the link to the scholarship right now. So everyone, if you're interested in this scholarship, definitely go to my Twitter feed. You all already know the rules, everybody. I tweet out the links to the scholarship. All the links to the scholarships are found on my Twitter feed. So if you do not follow me on Twitter, the first rule of engagement is go follow me on Twitter. Oh, this is really nice. Before I started the room, I tweeted out that I would be discussing the room, and I've just seen on Twitter how it looks like. So Clubhouse has updated it in a way where it shows the room, it shows the title of the room, it shows the time. Oh, this is really nice. I've not seen this feature on Clubhouse. This is how gone I have been. I've been on Clubhouse, but I didn't notice that this is the changes that they've made. Alrighty, you guys, I'm about to go tweet out the link to the scholarship. Let's all go to Twitter. If you don't follow me on Twitter, for those that are watching on Instagram and Facebook, my Twitter is Sylvie Watikum. That is my name. That is just my name. That is my Twitter feed, and it's the same on Instagram. And follow me on Instagram also, because I'll take a screenshot of the official website of that scholarship and I'm going to put it in my Instagram stories. So definitely check out my Instagram stories for that. Then I'm going to put it on the Scholarship Prep Academy page, and I created that page because most of you said that when you put something on Instagram stories, it lasts for just 24 hours and it's gone, right? So it was important to create a page where I can keep those official website pictures, and then you have it for whenever you come back to check it. So those on Clubhouse, the link to my Twitter is just there. You can just tap my face. If you tap my face, scroll right down till the end, you're going to find the link to my Twitter, okay? So y'all go check it out. That is where, okay, I am about to tweet out the link to the scholarship. And while I do that, you guys, I am going to talk to you all about the 9 scholarship workshops, okay? Maryville College scholarships. Alrighty, I have tweeted out a link to the scholarship, everybody. I have tweeted it out. I've tweeted it out to Maryville College. So y'all go check it out. Check it out. See if you're interested in that particular scholarship, okay? Take advantage of it. Apply for it, okay? Alrighty, with that said, there is going to be 9 scholarship application workshops, okay? This is going to take place throughout the period of October right through till November, end of November, okay? So Master students, we are going to have 3 scholarships that will prep you all to apply for. Bachelor students, 3 scholarships will prep you all to apply for. And PhD students, 3 scholarships that will prep you all to apply for, okay? So, bachelor students, I'm just going to tell you, these are those that have left high school. You have your high school certificate and you're thinking about what next. So, we are going to be prepping you all to apply for the Lester B. Pearson Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to Canada. We are going to be prepping you all to apply for the University of British Columbia. This is a scholarship for international students also to Canada. And we are going to be prepping you all to apply for the Emile Botany Scholarship. This is a scholarship for international students to France. So bachelor students, if any of you, if there's anyone who has a high school, if you have your high school certificates, you're thinking about starting your higher education, like doing your bachelor's, and you're like, I don't have the money to pay for it, but your results are good enough and you want to try your luck on scholarships, definitely go to the website, learnhowtogetascholarship.com. Go to the Scholarship Prep Academy tab, and there you can sign up. Or if you just follow me on Instagram, you tap the link in my bio on Instagram, it's going to take you to where to sign up, okay? Master students, we are going to be working on the Oxford Weidenfeld Scholarship and Leadership Program. This is for international students to the UK. We are going to work on the Eric Blooming Fund. This is a scholarship for international students to the Netherlands. And we are going to work on the Yechin Academy Scholarships, which is a scholarship for international students to China. So we are going to be working on those 3. Master students. PhD students, we are going to be working on the Swiss government scholarships. We are going to be working on the Gates Cambridge Scholarship to the UK, and then the PhD in Peace scholarships to the US. So PhD students will work on 1 scholarship to Switzerland, 1 to the UK, and 1 to the US, okay? And you all already know the team. We are going to be working on your CVs. We are going to be working on your essays, because all these scholarships ask for essays, right? So we need to make sure that you all have good enough essays where you apply to the scholarships. And then we are going to be working on your research proposals. How are your research proposals looking like? How good are they, or how not good are they? We are going to be working on those. And then I on the team, I'm in charge of making sure that y'all have all your documents, y'all have a proper application plan, and y'all have like a timeline with a checklist of the things that you're going to be submitting. So most of these scholarships, the deadlines begin in December. So we are going to have our first workshop end of October, second workshop mid-October, last workshop end of October, first workshop end of November. First workshop is going to be end of October. So October 30th to 31st, we'll have our first workshop. And then mid-November, we'll have our second workshop. And end of November, we'll have our third workshop. Why? Because we want to make sure that you all are ready for those scholarships that you're going to start applying for by December, because the deadlines start in December. So we want to get through with everything, make sure you have everything to apply for the scholarships, get it out of the way, such that when December shows up, all you need to do is you go submit, okay? We are going to be taking just 10 students at the bachelor level, 10 students at the master's level, and 10 students at the PhD level. In terms of those that have shown interest right now, I'm just looking at those that have, because when you all go to the website, learnhowtogetascholarship.com, you're going to see a place where you should sign up, right? We already have 30 sign-ups, you guys. We already have 30 people who have signed up, but now of course it becomes, yes, you have that interest in it, but the workshop is paid for, right? Our workshop is $25. So yes, more than 30 people. This is like the list. Okay, all right, 31 people have shown interest, but we are going to be taking just 30 people. So it's now going to depend on the first 30 to pay for the workshop, okay? With the first 30 to pay for it, 10 bachelors, 10 masters, 10 PhD, and then we are going to close it out. And as I told you all already, it's going to be hard work, you guys. If you've been listening to me about scholarships, I always tell you all, my sweet spot in terms of application process for a scholarship is 1 year. And we are going to be doing this in the period of 2 months. 2 months. So you guys, it's going to be a lot of hard work, okay? We are going to be working back to back. Immediately you pay for the workshop, and then you sign because we are going to sign a contract to make sure that you know that it's legit. We are not coming here trying to mess people up. So we sign a contract, make sure it's legit. The next thing that we are going to be doing is we are giving you your first assignment, and we are giving you all 4 assignments. 1 assignment from me, 1 from the scholarship, from the research proposal expert, 1 from the CV expert, and 1 from the essays expert on the team. So it is going to be a lot of hard work, you guys. It's going to be a lot of hard work. So don't come in thinking that you're just going to sleep and stretch and then we all are going to apply for the scholarships for you. No. You're going to be working. We all are going to be working, and we are going to make sure that we get you all to be ready for all those scholarships when it's time for you all to apply, okay? Alrighty, thank you all so much. Those on Clubhouse, do you all have a question? Facebook, Instagram, does anyone have a question? Is everyone okay? Everyone okay? I have tweeted out the link for our scholarship for today, okay? Remember, our scholarship for today is the 2022-2023 full tuition scholarships, international diversity scholarships for international students to the US, okay, at Maryville College to the US. So if you're thinking about studying in the USA and you're looking for scholarships, consider this. It is on my Twitter feed. The link is there. The screenshot of it is going to be on my Instagram story. So I hope you all follow me. And you guys, as you all already know, I have a YouTube channel. I have a YouTube channel. If you're not subscribed, definitely go ahead and subscribe to it. The good thing about the YouTube channel is that when I talk about scholarships on 1 scholarship a day, today we are talking about a scholarship that is for bachelors. Yesterday, our scholarship was for professionals, right? Did you all catch it? Yesterday, we were talking about scholarship for people who have been working. And they're like, okay, if you're 40 years of age, you're okay to apply. That is why I always tell you all that. Don't always look at it like, oh, because of the scholarship, I don't have this particular result, so I cannot apply. You just have to choose a scholarship for you, okay? You just have to choose a scholarship for you. So yesterday, we were talking about a scholarship for professionals. Today, we are talking about a bachelor scholarships. Who knows what I'm going to find tomorrow for our scholarship for tomorrow, right? So it's very disorganized, but now on the YouTube channel, I organize it into various boxes, easy to manage. Scholarships for bachelor students, scholarships for master students, scholarships for PhD students. So I definitely call on you all, please do well to subscribe to the YouTube channel and turn the notifications on so that you're informed when I post a new video. And also, it may not be for you. If it is not for you, please do it to recommend it to a friend, a brother, a sister, an auntie, an uncle. Please recommend it to someone, okay? Thank you all so much for being here. I don't see any questions on Instagram, no hands raised on Clubhouse, and no questions on my comment section on Facebook. So I take it that everyone is fine. Y'all go check out the scholarship, see if you're interested in it. I'm going to see y'all tomorrow. Y'all take care, okay? Good night, everybody. Cheers.